Sirji, start off IDJ preparation for physics. Basic concepts of electrostatics. Then properties of charges. Firstly, as like basic properties of matter and charge without mass cannot exist, whereas mass without charge can exist. Actually, charge without mass cannot exist, whereas mass without charge can exist. Then we get quantizations of charge. Charge on a body, quantization of a charge can be determined. Charge on a body can only in the form of E. We get E. Then Q is the quantitative charge, N integer value, and E in the form of charge on a body can only in the form of E. So then charge on a body can only exist. Charge on a body can only exist in the form of E. Then Q is equals to, we get Ne. Then Q is equals to quantitative charge, and N is equals to integer, and E charge on a body can only exist in the form. Then charge in addition in nature. চার্জ ন্যাচারের সাথে অ্যাড হতে থাকে। চার্জ ইন অ্যাডিটিভ ইন নেচার, কিউ নেট চার্জ। কিউ নেট চার্জ ইজ ইকুয়ালস টু কিউ অফ মাইনাস কিউ টু প্লাস কিউ থ্রি মাইনাস অফ কিউ ফোর। দেন কিউ ওয়ান মাইনাস কিউ টু, কিউ থ্রি মাইনাস কিউ ফোর। Conservation of charge, we get conservation of charge minus positive charge on an isolated system, as like conservation of charge minus negative charge on an isolated system can neither be created nor destroyed. Total charge of system is equals to constant. Total charge of system is equals to constant, because the net charge of conservation isolated system minus, so note of plus like of opposite system minus like of opposite system and plus minus. We know that or we get as like note of plus positive charge, opposite of positive charge, negative charge, opposite of negative opposite direction, and positive and negative charge is as like same direction. Then minimum possible charge. Minimum possible charge we get is equals to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 C. We get minimum possible charge is equals to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 C. C means quanta. C means quanta. Exceptions of quantizations. Exceptions, rules of quantizations. Quantizations of level of up, level of down. Level of up value minus 2c by 3. Down value minus c by 3. Then we calculate 2u plus 1d is equals to 1 particles. 2 of value plus minus plus 2c by 3 plus 2c by 3 plus 1d down value minus c by 3 plus c 1u plus 2d is equals to 1 Newton, or 2c by 3 plus of 2d minus c by 3 is equals to quantization charge of 0. We get quark value of plus 2c by 3 down minus c by 3. Then quark particle do not exist independently, so quantization is still correct. Then if quark particle would exist, even the quantizations would be valid. Quanta will be down value of minus c by 3. Then the quark value is equals to 2c by 3 plus of 2 minus c by 3 is equals to 0. Then in a conductor, a charge is distributed at outer surface only, while in non-conductor charge is distributed inside the surface. We get in a conductor charge is distributed, applying on conductor charge is distributed at outer surface only, while in non-conductor charge is distributed inside the surface. Then method of charging. Friction. As like positive charge and negative charge. Positive charge, unless rod, dry hair, cut skin, wood. And negative charge as like silk, comb, avionic, plastics, amber, etc., etc., etc. Exceptionally, cloud charging, charging of oil drop in Milken or drop experiment. At first, friction. Secondly, we get conduction. For positive charge, will move high to low. Will move high to low. And negative charge will be move as per low to high. As per low to high. Then note of in conduction total charge of a system. In conduction total conduction applied conduction, total charge of system is redistributed in the ratio of radius for making potential same. After conduction, potential become sum, while after conduction potential become sum, while charges will differ. Let us method of charging as like friction, positive, unless rod, dry hair, negative, silk, comb, avionic, excessive of cloud charging, charging of oil drop. Conduction we applied for positive charge will move high to low, negative charge will move low to high. Note that in conduction total charge of system is redistributed. Then number of 3 we applied induction. Of takes place in fashioning layer only. takes place in fashing layer only. Takes place fashing layer only. Then Q induced is equals to Q inducing then 1 plus of minus of 1 by here. Here dielectric constant of body. Here means dielectric constant of body. For metal, ER is equals to infinite, Q induced is equals to, for metal, applying metal, ER is equals to infinite, as like Q induced is equals to Q inducing. For non-metal, ER not equals to infinite, Q induced greater than of Q inducing. Best method of charging. Notes of important we applied charging induction. Then we get best method of charging. Induction, best method of charging. We know that the important notes of induction affect the distribution of charge, not the magnitude of charge. Induction affect the distribution of charge, not the magnitude of charge. There will be attraction by the natural point charge of the body. There will be attraction by the body of having charge of some natural, provided that magnitude of charges will be different. And important notes, second important notes, sure test of charging is repulsion, not attraction. Sure test of charging is repulsion, not attraction. Is the most important point of electrostatics for IIT-JEE. And that's it.